If you fall in a grocery store, take a picture. Hi, I'm Tom Fitzgerald, one of the experienced trial attorneys at Kalfus Nachman, and I want to explain to you why that photograph will be so important in proving your case. If you fall in a store, what caused your fall may be temporary, and it will be gone if you or someone with you doesn't take a picture of the condition that injured you. Having that picture may make the difference in winning or losing. If you're injured in a fall in a grocery store, the store will try to hide the reason you fell. If you take a photograph, you have evidence of what actually caused your fall. I want to tell you about a case I recently had where my client fell off a curb that was basically invisible. My client's husband was smart enough to take a photograph of that invisible curb. When he returned 1 week later, it was painted bright yellow, but he had preserved the evidence. As a result of that photograph, we were able to prove to the jury that the curb was invisible and that no one could have seen it. I was able to secure a large recovery for my client because of that one photograph. Why am I telling you this? Because people are seriously injured in falls in grocery stores every day, and you may have questions about your case. Call 888-487-8546. I'm Tom Fitzgerald, one of the attorneys at Kalfus Nachman, and thank you for watching.